Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Finding parking car can be one of the most stressful parts of any trip, but Waze helps you by showing nearby parking options, including lots, garages, and even street parking, with details on opening hours, services, and sometimes even rates. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to find parking in Waze. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, search for a parking before you drive. Open Waze and search for your destination. Tap on the destination and you will see more parking. Tap that to view parking options nearby. Select a lot and tap park here to navigate directly to it. For example, I'm gonna go ahead, look for parking. So as you see here, you can go ahead and look for locations, see all locations. You can even add the city if you want to. Add the place, whatever you want. It all depends on you. Spain, for example. And it will show you all the parking available. So the default is that it will show you parking available nearby, but you can also put any keywords that help you reach a parking. For example, let's say a friend of you that lives in Spain asks for a parking. He doesn't know anything, so you're gonna go and look for Waze, look for a parking lot here and send him the link, and that's your idea. All you have to do is actually tap on the link, follow it, and that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.